Now we have rolled out our pie crust, and we now need to put it into the pie plate and shape it. A rolling pin can often help facilitate getting the crust into your pie plate. So you can use it, you can roll it on top, and then you just carefully go like this. I see I have that little seam in there. It might need to be worked a little bit more because I don't want the filling coming out. I usually take a scissors or a knife and cut off some of the excess. You can leave some overhanging because we will put it back into it. And this extra is always good to just bake up with a little cinnamon and sugar and butter on it as a treat for everyone to snack on before the pie is ready. So we've trimmed off the excess. Now you can either fold it in this way, which is what we will do now. You fold it under, the excess under, so this top edging is really almost a double thickness. And you fold it under like this, all the way around, and then you just make sure you smooth it out, looking nice. And then what I like to do to decorate my pie crust is I take my finger and in one hand and the other finger in the two, and you just create this fluting all the way around. So that is, you don't have to poke it. If you were making a pie that you baked the crust ahead of time, you would need to poke this with a fork to get so the air bubbles will release, but because we are baking it with a filling in it, you don't need to do that. So this goes in the refrigerator.